What's up and welcome back to the video. So in this video we are going to be race prepping the KTM. So for those of you who don't know, who don't follow me on social media, I am going to be competing in the final round of the EWXC series. It's going to take place at Heidelberg and we are competing in the silver class. So I've actually filmed all this already, but as you can see the garage is pretty dark and I forgot to put on the low light setting on the GoPro, so all the footage was useless. Anyways, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I don't have a back wheel on. We took the tire off, and over here there's a little spot where the bead is broken. So if we don't manage to source a new tire, this one will have to just last another race. The Moose is also nearing the end of its life, and it should still be good. So what we've done on the bike so far, and I'm gonna drop in time lapses of the work that we did. We added some fresh grips, some DRC grips, and we cleaned the fork seals. We got this little fork seal cleaner, seal saver, whatever, and I pretty much rebuilt the carb. So the bike had the wrong jetting in it, and I changed the needle, changed the main jet, set the air fuel or the air idle screw on the correct setting, and cleaned the hell out of the carb. And the bike starts up and idles like really nice now, and it's nice and responsive from the bottom. Alright, so we've got the carb back in, and let's give it a start and see. Well, I suppose the only thing we can check is idle. Let it warm up, check the idling. If it idles a bit better. I wish I could go right, but yeah, still waiting on that rear wheel. To say thanks to Peter from Adventure MX. He always hooks me up with parts, and if you guys need your bike serviced, need your suspension serviced, need your motor rebuilt, or you're just looking for parts, new and some used parts, hit up Peter at Adventure MX. I'll have his stuff linked down below. Now, unfortunately, and the reason why the rear wheel is not here, I took the rear wheel to get it realigned, but on close inspection we saw that the spokes, there were a lot of bent spokes, and one of the spokes was already broken and some of them are on the way out. So unfortunately I had to order a new spoke kit for the bike. So he's gonna install the spokes, get the wheel laced, and hopefully by tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday, I should have the wheel back. You know, unfortunately, this is a very expensive hobby. Racing is expensive, and you know, running this channel is a fairly expensive venture. So what I've done, and you guys might have also seen it if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll have my Instagram and Facebook also linked on the screen and down below. I started a Patreon page. So what Patreon is, it's basically a paid subscription. So kind of like everything that you see on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. But what makes it a little bit different is I post all the bonus content on there, and Patreon subscribers get early access to the videos. So let's say I post this video on Friday, or it goes live on Friday, the Patreon subscribers will have access to it on Wednesday. And if we get enough Patreons, we have an option to include merch as well. So then Patreon subscribers will have access to merch, and it's not too expensive. It's $3 a month, so it's a monthly subscription. But if you can spare the extra bucks and you want to help out the channel, obviously all the money will go into the bikes, into the garage. Lighting will be the first thing, into racing. And it's not just me, I mean, it's for myself, for Zane, you know, wherever we can benefit and help and give back to the community, that's what we'll use that for. And if you don't want to spend the extra bucks, please just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the videos. All the help is highly appreciated, and obviously I am not going to be bitter about it if you guys don't subscribe to Patreon. It's your choice. Another issue that we had, not bike related, is pants. So as I'm riding, my butthole is sticking out. So I was thinking about just sewing in, or getting some new material sewn in here, and it's definitely something I will still do in future. But fortunately I have a very loving family, so they went ahead and they bought me a new pair of pants. There we go, there is the new pants. So super stoked and super thankful to be running some fresh kit. The bike is pretty much almost ready, so we just need the rear wheel, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for a tire. This little mud guard will replace eventually. All right, so it's day 3 of race prep, and the awesome thing is Andre de Villiers from Linex Yamaha hooked us up big time with some Metzler tires. It's 140/80/18, and we've got some front here as well. We will not be using the front in this race, so what you're going to see me do now, throw the tire on the rim with the moose inside, and throw it on the bike, and then my bike's done. Got the rear wheel on, and I just finished adjusting the idling on the bike. So yeah, that's it for this race prep video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button, check out the Patreon page, and stay tuned for the race content coming next week. Peace out, keep ripping.